In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale and resize an object in AutoCAD. Whether you're an old hand with AutoCAD or just getting started, understanding how to adjust the size of your objects is crucial for creating precise designs. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, the first thing you need to do is select the object that you wish to resize. This is essentially setting the stage for everything else you're going to do. Once you have your object selected, the next step is to type Scale into the command line. This tells AutoCAD that you intend to start the scaling process, allowing you to modify the size of the object. After you've typed Scale, you'll be prompted to enter a base point. The base point is a crucial part of this process because it acts as a reference point from which the scaling will take place. You can technically click anywhere in the drawing to set this base point, but for practical reasons, it's often best to select a point on the object itself. This ensures that the resizing will occur relative to that specific point on the object, maintaining its position in relation to other elements in your drawing. Now that you've got your base point set, you've got a couple of options for resizing your object. You can use your mouse to visually estimate and adjust the size, a method commonly referred to as eyeballing. This is a quick and intuitive way to resize if you don't need an exact measurement. However, if precision is your goal, you might prefer to enter a scale factor manually. This is where numbers come into play. By entering a number, you're allowing AutoCAD to calculate the new size of your object based on the factor you provide. For example, let's say you want to double the size of your object. You'd enter the number 2 and then press Enter. This action will multiply the current size of the object by 2, effectively doubling its dimensions. On the flip side, if you want to reduce the size of your object to half its current size, you'd enter 0.5. This scaling factor decreases the object's size by half, giving you a smaller version of the original. So that's essentially how you scale and resize objects in AutoCAD. The combination of selecting the object, defining a base point, and then choosing your method of scaling, either by eyeballing with the mouse or entering precise numbers, gives you flexibility depending on the level of precision you need. Practice a bit to get comfortable with these steps, and you'll soon find it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your AutoCAD experience a little easier.